Amidst the tranquil green landscape of Pomona, a house stands almost inconspicuously. Pomona House by Hive architecture. It doesn't attempt to dominate this rural Australian landscape, but rather exists as part of the natural rhythm that has already formed. The building's low, elongated form follows the contours of the land, allowing the horizon line and expansive vegetation to remain the primary elements defining the atmosphere of the place. From a distance, the house feels more like an extension of the landscape than a standalone architectural object. Entering the house, the spatial experience builds gradually through calm and open transitions. The main living area is designed to face the expansive landscape, with large glass openings allowing natural light to pour in throughout the day. The interior is not overly decorative. Instead, the space is kept simple, allowing attention to the changing light, the texture of the materials, and the natural scenery outside. The relationship between the interior and exterior feels very fluid, making the boundaries between the two almost disappear. One of the most striking elements of this house is the transparent corridor that connects the main area with the private spaces. The corridor serves not only as a circulation route, but also as an experiential space that strengthens the residents' connection to the natural surroundings. As they walk through it, light, the shadows of the trees, and the changing weather become part of the daily architectural experience. The house does not attempt to isolate its residents from the outside world, but rather invites them to live closer to the rhythms of nature. Materials play a significant role in shaping the atmosphere of this house. Exposed concrete, natural wood, and rough textured surfaces are used not to project luxury, but to convey a material honesty that feels warm and grounded. Every surface appears to have been allowed to age naturally with its surroundings. Even the pool area is designed with the same approach, calm, simple, and blending with the earth tones and surrounding vegetation. Pomona House demonstrates how architecture can feel powerful without being overbearing. Through humble forms, honest materials, and open spatial relationships, the house creates a calm yet intimate living environment within the Australian rural landscape. Here, luxury is not expressed through monumental gestures, but through the quality of space that allows residents to feel truly connected to their place.